Hello everyone, welcome to my next video on Python, and I apologize for releasing my next video this late. Now I am deciding to release my videos weekly. So let's get started, and I wanna take a quick recap of what we have done last. In the last video, we printed statements, and I told something about string and integers. Now I'm gonna tell you about comments. Now, what are comments? See, comments start with a hash, and these comments do not really affect our program. So, like when I run this program, this do not affect my program. Now I'm gonna show you something about variables. Now there are 4 variables. String. Now this is a string. Now a string contains inverted commas, and it can contain characters or phrases or even words. Now the second value is an integer. Now an integer contains any number like 687 or 98 or 6, or it can even contain negative values 97, or now let me store 86. Now now there is another variable called float. Now a float value contains decimals like 0.67 or 5.67 or 8.09 or 1.23. Now this float here, it is coming in an blue font because this float corresponds to something else that I will tell you in my coming up videos. Now I'm gonna name it as float. Now our next variable is an boolean, and a boolean can contain a true value or false value. Now this boolean is very useful in games or website as it is used often in loops. Now I'm gonna print a statement combined of all these. Now our first variable is string, and in order to maintain some gap between our variables, I have to add this blank space, and our other value is an integer. Now an integer cannot be printed in this statement because it is not converted into a string. So first of all, we have to convert this integer into a string. If I run this program without converting these two into strings, the Python would crash. Like, see, it gave a message, can't convert int into string. Now we have to convert these two values into strings, so we have to add str that corresponds to string, and we have to add str in this also because this is also not a string. Now when I run this program, see, this is a string and this is 86.1.23. Now that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.